I just got big money for my old MacBook Pro from a website called Backmarket. Was this a good deal, or did I just get ripped off? Backmarket is a trusted website where you can buy used tech for a low price.
If you just picked up your new M4 MacBook Air, what are you going to do with your old MacBook Pro? Well, you can sell it to Backmarket. This is the new M4 MacBook Air, and this is my older MacBook Pro. Well, I'm going to get rid of one of them, and guess what? It's not going to be the new computer. It's going to be the older computer, while it still has value. Hi, this is Rick. Welcome to VidTech with Rick. And if you have an older MacBook Pro, this is an M1 MacBook Pro, and you want to get some money out of it, who are you going to call? eBay, maybe. It's kind of iffy. You could sell it privately to somebody in your community, put an ad up. You can send it to Apple, and Apple is going to give you a lesser value for sure, but they're still going to give you something for it. Well, I've been selling my old tech to Backmarket, and I've been having tremendous success. Backmarket is going to give me $754. This is a great deal. Backmarket is a website that trades in old tech and they resell it. And they make sure that the product works good, the batteries are good, and everything's good. I'm very confident with Backmarket because I bought several iPhones, Series 3, Apple Watch. They all work perfect. Everything works great. Well, I told Backmarket that this was flawless. I did drop it in and there is like a small dent or scrape, but otherwise it's perfect. The screen is perfect. I've usually used it docked. It doesn't have any scratches and it's still really pristine.
So how much can you get for your old stuff? Well, Backmarket makes it easy with some simple questions about your make and model, its condition, from flawless to busted.
I'm going to try to get the full $754 value. I have 21 days now to send this in. I have to send it through UPS myself. If something's wrong with it, they don't like it, they want to reduce the amount they're going to give me, they will tell me that, and then I can decide, and they'll ship it back to me for free if I decide I don't want to go through with the trade. Last year, I traded in my broken iPad Pro for $175. Fantastic, because otherwise I was going to throw it in the trash.
So Backmarket organizes, sets standards, and most importantly, guarantees your purchases or selling payment, and that makes buyers and sellers extremely happy. Cha-ching! I got the full $754 deposited into my account just a few days later.
You can sit on your tech. I could probably use this computer for the next couple of years until there's no value to it at all. I have a 2007 MacBook Pro that is useless, basically. It doesn't really do anything and nobody wants it. There's no value to it at all and it sits in my closet. I didn't do anything with it. I didn't get the value out of it when I could have, and I wish I would have. Now it's just kind of a nostalgic thing that I just have sitting around. Why? I don't know, but I don't really want to get rid of it because, anyway, I'm going to get $750 for this. That makes this computer, this new $1,000 computer, only $250. And then I can do the same thing in a few years and trade this one in and get something newer, whatever is going to be newer next, right? All right, so what about you? Do you have old tech that you need to turn in to get some money for it? Do you have an old iPhone, Apple Watch? Do you have a laptop? Or any other kind of computer that somebody else might want? Well, you can trade it into Backmarket and get some money for it. Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear about it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.